In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GCash account number. This is a simple process, but knowing the exact steps will make it even smoother. First, let's start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. This app is your gateway to managing your finances with ease. If you're not familiar with the app's icon, it's a blue circle with a white letter G. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid any unexpected issues. Once you have the app open, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now log into your account using your credentials. Enter your mobile number and password, then tap the login button. If you have biometric authentication set up, you can use that for a faster and more secure login experience. Logging in securely is crucial because it protects your personal and financial information. Remember, keeping your password strong and unique is a good practice to safeguard your account. With your account now accessed, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. This icon often resembles a person or a silhouette. The profile section is where all your personal and account details are housed. It's an essential part of the app because it centralizes your information, making it easy to manage your settings and preferences. After tapping on profile, look just below your name. Here you'll find several pieces of information related to your account. At this point, you might see your email or username displayed prominently. Now focus on locating your 11-digit mobile number. This number is usually right beneath your name and is clearly marked. It's important to recognize this number as it is your GCash account number. Your mobile number serves as the primary identifier for your account, allowing you to receive funds and make transactions. Once you've found your mobile number, remember that this is your GCash account number. It's essential to memorize or note down this number, especially if you frequently use GCash for transactions. Having your account number on hand can save you time when making payments or troubleshooting any issues. To wrap things up, let me emphasize the importance of this process. Knowing how to find your GCash account number quickly can be a lifesaver in many situations. Whether you're making a payment, adding funds, or assisting customer service, having this number readily available ensures smooth transactions and effective communications. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly locate your GCash account number anytime you need it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Enjoy using GCash and managing your finances with confidence.